here in the gym now. So I just had my first workout session done. Like I did a yoga today, so I wasn't able to bring my camera indoors because I have to respect everyone's privacy. I am gonna wait for the other session. I'm gonna try to take snippets of it. This is just another way for me to spice up my workout life. So I went for yoga class. I'm just waiting for my balls to ball exercise classes. Let me show you guys what I wore in Power. So yeah guys, this is me on a general normal day. I feel like I wore a swimming suit for today, but yeah, this is how I am. Please don't mind me wearing this. Like yoga class we just wear socks inside, but I didn't want to wear, I just want to go like barefoot today. So yeah, kind of look a bit sleepy right now. So I'm done with my workout now, and I'm just gonna go and grab something to eat. I'm super hungry. I wasn't able to go back home to do my breakfast, so like I'm just gonna drop by in the cafe. The vlog will be ending in the cafe, so let's just go grab something to eat and let's go.